Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use AI to make money basically. So I'm just going to go to ChatGPT first. I don't know why there's two. And I'm just going to paste this prompt. It's really small, you don't need a prompt, you can just type that. And I'm just going to put in an aesthetic picture or like a stock picture example, and I'm just going to put this into ChatGPT, and I'm just going to wait for it to kind of load. By the way, I'm so sorry if you can hear the rain. It's just pouring right now. Get this prompt and then copy it into Google Gemini here. Once it's done generating, you can basically upload it to like Adobe Stock and stuff like that. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.